Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we got a huge FabFitFun unboxing. I was gonna say FabFitFun. FabFitFun unboxing for fall of 2024. I cannot believe that we are literally entering pumpkin spice season. It is insane to me. Anyways, my name is Sally. Hi, welcome. If you haven't been to this channel, we love everyone. I really hope you enjoy your time here. If you do like my style, my vibe, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more future videos like this. I do a lot of unboxings, a lot of hauls like Temu, Shein, Fashion Nova, all that good stuff. We go shopping at Ross, we go shopping at Marshall's. I just love shopping. I have a shopping addiction. It's not that great. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So without further ado, let's get into that video. FabFitFun is your quarterly box that comes winter, spring, summer, and fall. And I believe it is about $60. I think they did up the price. I think I just renewed it, but I think I might cancel depending on how I feel about the next couple boxes. It's not as exciting as it used to be. I think they used to have way better products. Can I put it right here? Oh yes, I can. I'm gonna leave it right here on top of my AC. It is hot and I'm sacrificing myself and my AC for you guys because I love you. Okay, so Ricola. I don't know if you could tell, but this is all Ricola. It's actually really cute. Can you see it? That's actually pretty cute. Smells like pineapple in here. Don't know what it is. Okay, so first is this. Let me open my app and tell you exactly what I got. And yes, my hair is dark. Yes. I don't know what to feel about it. I don't know if I should love it. I did cut it. Honestly, it was down to my butt and I cut it. It's insane for me. I cut it to right here and I dyed it dark for the fall season. But I don't know. I kind of like the blonde better. I also kind of like the copper. Let me know what you think of the hair. Should I go keep it dark? Should I go to blonde? Should I dye it copper? Let me know. Okay, well, no wonder. I was like, it's kind of light. The missing item was this KitchenAid loaf pan. It retails for $29.99. I thought it was cute to like make some bread or casseroles or like, you know, dessert, but open. Okay, but yeah, they didn't bring it, so I need to email them. Let's do what I added on. I also added on these baking trays because I don't think we have any baking trays. And I kind of want to make some cookies. So these are two KitchenAid baking trays. They are 9 by 13 inches. They're pretty thick. Very nice. A pack of two. And it came with a spatula. KitchenAid cookie spatula. Perfect, because I want to start making some snickerdoodles. So that is the KitchenAid, oh, I guess it was upside down. The KitchenAid spatula. And then when you're baking, you just go take out the cookies, you know? Thought this was pretty convenient. It came with the spatula, the two things so I can make some cookies. I think I added it on for like $15. I think it was retailed for $45. I think it was $15 to add on, so I thought it was a great deal. Choice number two, I got this, and like I said, I'm so sorry because my choices completely did not, like I usually screenshot like choice 1 through 5 or 1 through 6, which you could have got. I completely forgot. Honestly, I was on a road trip to Mexico while trying to do this. I completely forgot to do it. I did get this little Puma bag, which I thought was super cute. You do have a little pocket right here for, I don't know, your IDs, your credit cards, so you can keep it close to you. And then you have a little backpack with one big compartment. So you can even throw like a light sweater in here, like maybe you're going to a theme park and you want to walk around, or you're going to the state fair and you can put like a light sweater and then your essentials, and you can keep, or if you have a small phone, you can put your phone in there. I do like the color that it's beige and that it has the Puma logo. I think it's really cool. And then all the cords are like bungee material. It's really nice. It retails, it does not say the retail. It says Puma on size, and there's that information. And I thought it was really cute. So you kind of just, you know, put it on the strap, see, and then have it back there. And it is adjustable. Ooh, and this is bungee too, look. So it actually it comes off as well. It's pretty cool. If you want to clip your keys to this, or you can do it to the other side. That is awesome. If you didn't want to strap it to this side, all you have to do is unhook it, strap it to this side. Wow. Okay, I love this. This is so cool. So I cannot wait to take this out. This is amazing. It's so sturdy, like it's sturdy, and then the back it's all plushy. Very nice, very, very nice. This retails for $45. Very nice. Okay, choice number 3, I did get these earrings. They big, okay, I don't think so. This is by Ellie Vale. Does come in this little container thing. Those are the earrings. Actually, they're very pretty. Actually, these are cute. These are cute. Look at how cute they are. They're a little hoop. See, they're dangly. Have the little clasp. Let me put one on for you. Let me take this one off. And let me put this one on for you. Oh my god, I'm sweating. It's so hot in here. And that is the earring. What do you think? Very cute. I really like it. I think that's so freaking cute. I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. I forget because I'm gonna have 2 earrings and it's gonna be weird. I will definitely use these. These are perfect for work. The earrings retail for $61. That is crazy. That's a lot of money. That's a lot. I paid like 20 bucks for these on Amazon and they're honestly so good. They're by Pavoy. I have them on my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested in these. I will link it down below if you are interested, because honestly I wear them all day. I'm very sensitive and I have to have like special earrings for, like, I think they have to be real or like coated in metal, whatever, because if not my ears get all itchy and they start hurting. So I have to have like real stuff. This I can wear all day and feel perfectly fine. So I will definitely leave my storefront in the description box and the information will be down there. I did get in gold. You can get it in silver as well. Thought the gold was pretty, but I don't like how it doesn't have it. They say hyperallergenic, so that's usually what I look for, so I don't get all it. Next thing I got was this ring. It is by Marilyn Schaaf. Remove before swimming, bathing, or shower. Avoid direct contact with perfume, body lotion, hairsprays, and other chemicals. All right, so this might tarnish. Made in China, of course it is, and it retails for freakingly expensive. This is honestly probably a ripoff, but it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Look at that. It's a really pretty. It's very different. It has like, it's like circles and beads everywhere. I don't know, it's different. And then it has a little opening. It does have the opening, so it is adjustable. I mean, I think it's pretty. Like, I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Kind of cute. It is hot. I'm burning up. Oh my god, hurry up. Hurry up, Sally. Okay, let's do the next one. Next one is these curls, because I want to start getting into curling my hair more. I have, oh, can you open up? Oh, it did open, huh? I got a pack of 6, I think it's 6 curlers. Oh, and then it has the little ones on the inside. Okay, so it's a pack of 12 curlers, and I think this is going to be good too. I don't think I'm going to, but yeah, no, it's gonna stick my hair. You basically, you know, curl it when you curl it, and that way it will stay longer. You get big bouncy waves, and it comes with the clips. It comes with the clips as well. Hello, focus. Comes with the clips. This one and this one. I need to put this one and this one, and I need to put the clips in here. It's still roller kit, which surprisingly I don't have. I have the hot rollers, but I don't have like an actual roller kit, so I was like, might as well invest in this. This is fucking $30. That is ridiculous. I think on Amazon or Temu you can probably find this for $2. Don't waste your money. I got it because I couldn't remember. Obviously I chose the best things in the choices 1 through 6 or whatever crap I did. Like, realistically, not worth $30, maybe worth $2-3 on Temu. I bet you I could find something a lot cheaper. Why don't we look? Why don't we look and see if we can find hair rollers? What is this called? It's hair rollers. All right, $288, pack of 24. It's even more. See that? Pack of 24. It comes with the clips and it's $288. See what I told you? No need, y'all. No need for you to spend the expensive things. I have a huge Temu haul, by the way. I think I have a Temu playlist on my channel too. Like, no need to spend the money. Go to Temu. Okay, what was it? I keep dropping my phone. I don't even know what the next one is. Hold on, let me go back to the other. Next one I got, okay, last thing I got, and then I think I just got one add-on, is Ola Henderson, which I like Ola Henderson. I believe it's a Swedish company or I think Swedish, Switzerland, Sweden are not the same thing. I forget, it's from one of those countries. And it is a lip balm that was very, very nice. It is a lip balm. It is Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. Beyond the smooth balm, soften your plumpier pout with hydration and your overachieving, delicious, nourishing lip treatment. Whatever, it's a lip balm. It has color. Did I remember that it has color? It smells like chocolate or coffee or something. You see that color? It's so pretty. It's like a pretty red. I already have stuff on, so I don't want to ruin this, but I don't want to get rid of it either. Thinking this is pricey because it's Ole Henriksen, $22. Cocoa cream. It smells like Coke. It smells like chocolate, something like that. And then I had one more thing, which I added on. If you have seen these FabFitFuns, I usually add this on. It's a Dr. Brandt Poreless face cleanser, and this is honestly, this is one of the best face cleansers there is. I believe with add-ons, like for subscription, I think I got it for the subscription. You can always add extra stuff on for every period, quarter, something like that, and this was $9, and it is honestly really good. It doesn't smell the best, but it works. That's what matters, that it works, and it clears your pores. It leaves your skin smooth and supple, and it's really good. I've been talking about it for like 2-3 years now. When did I start my channel? Hold on. Oh my god, I think we're gonna be hitting year 4. That's crazy. That is insane. Okay, and then the last thing is this coconut. It smells good. Coconut milk bar by Dove. This was free because I did not obviously get this. And then obviously, hold on, this box is really cute. Like, I wish we could turn it over. Look at how cute the inside of the box is. Can you see it? Look at how cute it is. It's like 3 little women hanging out. Okay, first of all, if they're advertising Ricola, why couldn't they throw the caramel flavor in here? They did that last fall. Why couldn't they do it this fall and throw in a little packet of Ricolas in here? You know what I'm saying? If you're advertising it so much, can you please throw in the Ricola? And then here is the freebie, which was the coconut milk sugar lychee. Smooth, revitalizing, cleansing balm. It smells really good. It smells like, it does smell like coconut lychee and like actual soap. I don't know. It's a weird combination. It smells good though. Yeah, so this is the total of my box. I paid like $60 for it, I think, but I did get the year. So when you get the year membership, you can choose first rather than just waiting for, oh my god, my hair. Rather than waiting for like the subscription that you can get for the spring, summer, winter season time, seasonally. So yeah, thank you so much for coming. What did you think of the box? I am definitely going to reach out to FabFitFun about that pan because I wanted that pan. That casserole pan looked very cute, and it was a teal color. It was beautiful. I'm going to reach out to them. I'm going to email them ASAP. Hopefully, if they need evidence, they can always watch this video. So I literally opened everything in front of you guys. I'm going to do minimal cutouts for that. Yeah, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos, see my face more, like the video before you leave, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!